Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, faces of cube are marked with A, B, C, D, E and F. Two views of cube are as shown below. If face D is opposite to face E, what will be there on the bottom when B is at the top? Here we have given that D and E are opposite faces. First, rotate one of the wave such that D becomes opposite to E. In both the views. Then we rotate it such that position of D remains fixed. Of D remains fixed. It can be seen that B will be opposite to A and C will be opposite to F. Hence, F will be there on the bottom when B is at the top.